Hello, welcome back to our channel. This is Val.
This is Z.
And on today's video, we're gonna show you guys our new apartment. I'm so grateful for this apartment.
Let's show you the apartment.
Let's go.
I know it's been a long time that I'm not posting any videos, so things getting a little changed. I just moved to a new apartment, so thing was going on. In between I went to the Puerto Rico again. We had like family functions, all of that, and now let me show you the new apartment. So this is like pretty much the area from outside. You can see like much more wider we have it here. You can see like green, like a lot of trees and stuff like that, a lot of cars, but like space. You see, these are our parkings. That's my car. You can see here between two buildings we have a lot of space too. You can see a lot of space in the between two buildings. Each building has like 4 apartments. You can see a lot of space, much more wider. You can hear the birds. Lot of space, lot of space. And from here my house starts. So you can see all of these nice stairs. It look like you're going into the house. So this is my apartment. There's my keys. You can see cute little SpongeBob. We have like different kind of keys. This is my car key. This is for the building number, my car. One day I'm gonna show you my car also. Let's open the house. Turn on the lights. Close the door. Always lock the doors. Everything you can check, clean. We have a little space here. And then you have stairs. You see? So, as you saw from the last home, put the shoes here. What are your shoes? This is for the charcoal. Hello, Mrs. Cooker.
Hello.
And she was cooking.
So here we have a pretty big stove.
You saw that?
And
oh, we're gonna saw the stove. Oh my god, I wanna talk about the whole thing.
And the fire here is strong.
Like crazy strong.
It's like the chef's kitchen here.
We have like 1, 2, 3. Turn on the light, babe.
The light.
Yeah. There you go. Oh, you can see that.
Yeah.
You have the like 5 stove in the between, 1 there.
And here in the middle. So it has a space here. Also you have more space here.
So Valeria's gonna show her kitchen because that's her department. She's the chef of the house. That's her kitchen. And it's a little bit messy because of me. I just cleaned my car. You can see my car from here. Right there. This one is my car. This one. Look at this guy. He loves it here. A lot of birds.
He made a lot of friends here.
His Peter.
He made a lot of friends.
Right?
And here we have from an India trip, Puerto Rico trip. So slowly we're gonna add
More trips.
more trips.
Nah, Valeria's planning her trip too, so we're gonna have from there. Oh shit! Hey!
We have our space here, which is just, we make like our smoothies, our protein shakes.
Gym
our
videos.
drinks,
Gym.
all our sauces, we make it here, our water.
Oh, here we have our cups. Cups.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. On top also we have this thing. I can't even reach there, so I don't even open that. That's my refrigerator. So big refrigerator, big refrigerator. We have this drawer, these drawers. You can see a lot of doors, The chicken will fire in here. Thank you for taking care of the chicken. We have nice microwave, really nice microwave. Thank God, thank God. I love the microwave.
Look how big it is.
Bigger now.
It's a big microwave.
And let me show you the oven. Let me show you the oven. Yeah! I want to show you this pantry and everything. One day I want to show you the kitchen only. Because it's going to be a huge video for the kitchen if I'm going to show the kitchen.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
So this is like, we have washer, dishwasher, like this, that. You can see chopping is going on. It's cooking on. Right now I can't bother. I can disturb her. So let her be. I'm waiting for my boob meal. Hi, Charcoal. Yeah. Don't bother me.
Hey, Charcoal has little stuff there.
Now I show them.
Yeah.
Garbage. You know. This is where we have our pantries.
Oh, that's our pantry.
That's it. That's the best thing in the house we have.
Yeah.
And we love that thing. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you a lot. Thank you so much.
Yeah, this is our.
Thank you.
Anything extra, we have everything.
Everything
here.
extra. We have double extra actually. Everything
Yeah.
here. So I don't want to talk about it. Let's close that shit. Cause it's a lot of stuff. Cause you see this Celsius? Cause this is gym, baby. Now this time is gym time. To be honest, yes. I'm not lacking no more. I'm not lacking no more.
No pain, no gain, baby.
That's it.
We
What do you
have
think about
here-
that?
Show them our picture. This is when me and Z
Got
got
married.
married. This is our wedding day.
That's
Coker. That's when I became Mrs. Coker.
Hey. Like a lot of like my electric stuff, my stuff.
Yeah.
Cameras,
iPad, laptop.
nice energies everywhere. This is my small purse. This is our closet. Our shoes. You can't miss that thing. So my shoes.
You want to show your towel?
Alright, you show your tower. Alright. You see that?
Nice view right
We
here.
have big.
I always
views.
tell Z like this view looks like a painting. Like if I'm in a painting.
Alright.
It's so beautiful. I love it.
That's true. We have like nice big space. Like this camera, I don't know if it can capture it or not, but we have really nice big space. You see? Plus, we have this like always toilet and bathroom attached. Nice big tub, really nice and big tub. Same like shower and washer together. You see, really nice. Really nice. That's your boy. You know, everything is cool, really cool. And now here we have our other closet. I mean other pantry you can say, because we have a lot of space here, a lot of clothes. These are the clothes like regular clothes. Plus now this start is a bedroom. See, this is the one bedroom, like white space, you see, a lot of space. Other window, big windows, really big windows. This is Valeria stuff. This one little guy, but he never sleeps there, he always sleeps here. We just got new bed sheets. Flowers, a lot of flowers. That's for us. You can see this little lamp, baby lamp, really nice lamp. Hey dad. I'd be like you, daddy. This is all my mom. Remember always he tells me, how many you have it? This many I have. All of that I wear, all of that. It's my closet, my regular clothes. Yep. So that's my life in USA. Right now, currently, I'm living a married life. So this apartment is a little more costlier than we were before, but this has a lot of a good things. You know, we have a lot of space here now. Not congested no more, not around people. Like you can see quietness, and that's all we want. Let me know if you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video.
Peace.
Peace out.
Yeah.